So you have done an affiliate programs, pick a product to promote, and now you are asking the real question. So how do I actually get traffic to my affiliate links? So in this video, I will show you proven ways to get traffic to your affiliate offers, even if you don't have a website, a big audience, or any experience. Right? So before we jump into traffic source, let's get one thing straight. Not all traffic are equal. They don't just want views, you want the right people to click on your link and buy. Then there are two type of traffic that you can use. We have free traffic and we have paid traffic. The free traffic is organic, while the paid traffic is to pay some platforms, some people to generate a lot of leads for you into your sales funnel. When it comes to paid traffic, you pay platform like Facebook, Google's, TikTok to show your offers for beginners. I recommend starting with free traffic first. Now let's break down the most powerful way to get that traffic, right? So when it comes to a free traffic method, so we use TikTok and Instagram Reels, which is short form video is hot in 2025. Like create 50 to 60-second video around your needs, teach something, share a result, or talk about a problem, and then point people to the link on your bio. So how do I make my first sales, my first $50 online? That's an example of video that I can create. Another one is top 3 AI tools to earn from home, and then struggle to send online. Watch this. You can use this as your title that will hook people and add hook like watch till the end, and then use trendy sound so that put your link in the bio or use bio in the link to promote your affiliate offers for them so that they come to you and you nurture them till they buy what you are selling, right? Number two is YouTube. YouTube is powerful because your content stays searchable forever. Make tutorials, product reviews, and how-to videos related to your needs and your offer. That's same to the TikTok. Like use some title that it's searchable online on, let's say, how I got my first sales without a website, best platform for affiliate marketing in United States, and all this. That make your title searchable on all these platforms. That's how you generate free traffic. And don't forget to put your link in the description and pin it in the comment section so that people who watch your video will come to you after they gain value from your videos. All right. So the number three is WhatsApp and Telegram. So if you are in Nigeria or Africa country or any other in the world, right? So this is good. Build a WhatsApp or Telegram group around your needs, like learn digital skills or passive income tips. You can just share them some tips on what you are doing, right? Share free value and sneak in affiliate offers naturally. So these are the pro tips that you can use. Use WhatsApp TV or run a free class to build trust. Alright. So number four is Facebook groups and pages. You can join groups in your niche and provide genuine value. Don't spam link. Don't forget, don't spam link. Instead, answer questions and offer solutions. They say something like, if you want the same tools I use, I'll drop the link below. That is not a spam, but just going to someone DM and send a link is totally spam. Like number five is blogging and medium.com, right? So you can use like if you love writing, start a free blog or medium or blogger, write articles. Like all these tools are free. Like when I write articles like 5 tools everyday freelancer need, how I start making money from home, and add your affiliate links within the post so that people can come to you and get your offers, right? So let's move into the section 3 of this video, which is paid traffic. So if you have budget, if you are ready to speed up the process and have a little money, paid ads can help. These are the top options for you if you want to get into paid ads, like Facebook and Instagram ads. So target people by interest when it comes to Facebook and Instagram. And Google ads appears when people search products. If you are someone who want to go into Google ads, so it appears on Google. Like if you are using Chrome and you type for something like affiliate marketing, all what you see as sponsor is what we call a Google ads. So that one appear when there are people are searching your product. TikTok ad is there, so exploding right now and great for digital so far if you want to start TikTok ad. So this is the warning. Always test more. Start with like $2 to $5 per day if you are just starting your advert. So these are a traffic mistake to avoid. Let's avoid wasting time. Here are common traffic mistakes like posting once and expecting magic. That is totally wrong. There's spamming links everywhere, like dropping links in the comment section or into someone's ear. You are totally spamming people. That's not how to sell if you want to make your sales. So, not giving value first, like promoting low quality products and not tracking your link. So, you can use tools like Bitely or System.io to shorten and track your link clicks, right? So that you know how many people are clicking your link every day. And so, what to do next? Now that you know how to get traffic, here are action plans. Like choose one traffic source like YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp. Just choose one. Then create value content around the platform, your product source, and be consistent. Like posting 3 to 5 times a week. Track your result and optimize. Like affiliate marketing is simple, but it's still consistent. You don't need 1,000 views. Sometimes just 50 target people are enough to make your first sales. Okay, so if this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and drop your question in the comment section. I respond to everyone. And if you want my free affiliate marketing traffic blueprint, check the link in the description. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep growing.